Kuna mabarabara inchi mzima yenye haijafanywa for the last 3 years. All the time tukiambiwa watu washikane mkono, tufanye rally, tufanye vitu vingine. We have the onerous task of making sure that we sort out all these roads across the country. I have told my colleagues who are in parliament and the ones who are in governors from all parts of the country, we will sit down with everybody to solve that problem. But there is no way you can announce to the country useme ati I don't recognize Rigathi na William Ruto, lakini unakuja ofisi ya waziri mwenye mtu mdogo alichakuliwa kufanya hiyo kazi useme kuja tufanye 1 2 3. We want to sit down, all of us as leaders across the country, across the political divide, to solve the problem of this country. This is not the time of barabara na maandamano na nini. It's a time to sort the problems that were bedeviled this country, that were left behind, and we want to tell them, come, let us reason together. This is not a time to make noise. Asante sana, Your Excellency. My friend Paul, karibu kwa pamoja, tufanye kazi pamoja.